we got to sort of late 2012, and it was crystal clear that there was this massive opportunity in home loans.
Question.
So we came out of Living Social. The founders exited late 2011, early 2012, and again we had sort of one of those moments where we sort of had the decision to make, or do we kind of take our lessons and move into something else? And we kind of had the luxury of, we sort of spent 2012 really, and we got together with another guy, Marty, who's one of the other founders of Lendi, and the three of us spent 2012 basically looking at, hey, we've got all these interesting skills, we've got very, very big ambitions, where can we apply them? And we basically built what you'd probably best described as minimally viable businesses. We actually went, hey, what are these ideas we've got? And we actually built out the actual operating business as a way to sort of test our hypotheses. And then there was a few others, but really primarily the other one was what ultimately became Lendi. And we got to sort of late 2012, and it was crystal clear that there was this massive opportunity in home loans. At the time, $300 billion worth of annual transaction volume, $1.5 trillion of outstanding loans. You then moved to the mortgage space, and you got banks wanting fax applications.
Yeah.
And we just went, you put these things together, we'd seen the velocity you can drive from a really good digital process and said, there's got to be something here. And the traction we got in that business, even though the other ones we literally had term sheets for, we just said, we've got to go all in on this thing.
I think that, yeah, and there was also just, you have to be passionate about the industry, but we're at the wholesaling end. So your wholesale, when we looked at what the mortgage industry was giving our consumers, which is, you know, path to financial freedom, owning your home, you know, it's a great and very rewarding industry. And for me and Dave, big tick in that box, especially when you're committing as a founder to, you've got to feel really good about what you're doing, and you've got to love the industry that you're in. And the other industries were exciting, and there was a big prize there, but this one just felt like it was a much more rewarding, I guess, industry.